It's called "You're Gonna Get Hit by My Ultra" in the most fucked up scene.
Who will come out on top?
You're gonna get hit by that Ultra.
And there's the first hit. What will happen next? And the fight has finally begun. Each one of these two is hungry for victory. Whoa, what a counter!
Oh, come on, Ultra.
I've never seen a combo that
What's going on?
I don't know.
they're both on the cusp of victory. Devastating attack coming up. I can feel it. KO.
What strength kick is that when you go over?
Hard kick.
Hard kick?
Yeah.
It looks like it barely makes it over though.
Will the tide of battle turn? Fight! There it is, the first hit. This ought to settle the strongest one. We're in for it. These fighters really are
Oh god.
KO.
Too far. But if he was like one character with closer, I think I would have got him.
It all comes down to this. Fight! Can this beat continue?
That's your gameplay? Oh, smokes, man.
What am I supposed to do when he charges up right in front of me?
That's bad.
Win!
Or do your if you can react. I can't react sometimes.